In the previous video, we saw how to create a single answer question. We saw that we needed to put in the answer, as well as we had the choice to put in correct or incorrect feedback. Like with an information part, we could also upload images, videos, or audio if we wanted to add those to that question part. Now let's take a look at a multiple choice question. You can see that if I make it multiple choice, there's only one thing that was added. Just like with a single answer, we do need to put the correct answer in the lesson part answer field. Now, however, you can see down below that we can add incorrect choices. You can add up to 10 incorrect choices for your question. There are a couple of rules with this. The first rule is that your answer cannot match exactly any of the incorrect choices. The second rule is that none of the incorrect choices can match each other. One nice thing about this is that while you're making your lesson, if you accidentally make a mistake, the system will show you your mistake and show you where you need to fix it. Here's what a multiple choice question looks like on a lesson. Question 2 on this lesson is multiple choice. One thing that's nice about the system is that the system will automatically shuffle all of your choices, your incorrect choices and your correct choice. This is nice because no two students will always see the exact same question with the same choices at the same order every time. It'll be different every time. A student can get the question either correct or incorrect. So let's see, which planet has rings? I'll say Mars, which is incorrect. You can see that it asks us to try again. If I had incorrect feedback at this point, that would be displayed. If we get the question correct, the planet that has rings is Saturn. If we get the question correct, it lets us know, and if we had correct feedback, that would be displayed as well. That's how to make a multiple choice question. What we'll do now is go ahead and create our first lesson from scratch.